So you guys have something that's pretty cool on your website. I did it the other day. It's a free online hearing test. Walk me through this. Tell me how this works.
Yeah, so the online hearing screener is really, I would describe it as a two-part tool. The first part is you actually plug in headphones or earbuds and you listen to some different tones, low tones, mid tones, high tones, and you adjust to where you can hear that tone. So you walk through that part of it. The second part of it is really a series of questions. How do you hear when you get into noise? Do you feel like people are mumbling? And then the results of both how you heard those tones and how you answered those questions kind of gives you a score as to you're okay, your hearing's good, or you could use some further evaluation.